Hello there. In this video I have decided I want to experiment again with my silicone pouring medium. I'm going to do two small canvas pours. This one here, which I have already put the base down on, is the black paint with the silicone pouring medium added to it, and on which I am going to put minimal colour with lots of negative space to see what I get. And it's going to be a metallic paint that I put down on that. On the other painting, the second one, I will be putting a plain white base with no silicone added, but I will be putting at least one silicone pouring medium colour down onto that to see what I can get. So I'll get started now. Okay, so I've got my second canvas coated. It is not my usual Jazz Art Byron white this time. It is just Reno Art titanium white. I thought I'd just try a different white because I'm experimenting. And the colours I'm going to use on it are ultramarine blue with a little phthalo blue added, and it's got the pouring medium in it. And also with that I am going to use some of the Deco Art Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold and try and do a similar painting to what I did before. So I'll start now. my experiments certainly didn't work out how I expected them to, but I am happy with what I have done. The first picture here has got all the pretty cells on it, like the black edging, the black lacing around the edges of the silver, and of course plenty of negative space. The second one here virtually had no cells at all, so some curdling of the white paint, some tiny little dots, I won't get too close, that you might see, but really did not form into cells at all. But I still like the overall look of that. It is so pretty. It's almost like beaches going round the middle of the ocean. My imagination at work as usual. So those are my two experiments for this video, and I will continue trying to work out the cells with negative space and minimal paints in the future. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.